Hey everyone, this is Mansour Tawafi, the president of Validus, and this is a special video to announce a contest that we are doing to give away 3 different prizes for the Vcon New Era convention that's happening in May in this beautiful city of Dubai. Now, what is the contest? The contest literally is that you have the opportunity to submit a testimonial from yourself of what Validus has actually done for you or your family, what sort of value it has added in your life. And you have the opportunity to win because we're going to go through all the submissions and we're going to pick 3 top submissions, and one of them is going to win a VIP ticket to the Vcon New Era. Yes, $1,000 ticket for the Validus network. The second prize will be 2 gold tickets for entrance into the Vcon New Era convention, and the third one is 1 golden ticket. So you have the opportunity to really attend this event that could potentially completely change the trajectory of your life, and you can get it for free. So make your submissions, and also to showcase to the world how incredible this opportunity truly is, we're going to put the winning submissions, the winning testimonials on our socials as well as on our website, so the whole world can see how much of an impact this wonderful company is making around the world. So let's do this, let's level up the Validus way.